Hi there, it's Josh here from Ignite Coaching, and I'd like to invite you to an online workshop that I'm running called The Profitable Consultant. Now, this workshop is purely for business owners of engineering, town planning, surveying and architecture consultancies. And in this workshop, we'll show you how to build and run a profitable consultancy that generates consistent 30% net profit margins month in, month out. Now, in this online workshop, we're going to work on three things together. One, strategies to improve business efficiencies so everything in your business runs more smoothly. Two, improving team and business performance so that you're consistently hitting your business numbers. And three, increasing fees and charging more to instantly build more profit margin into your business. Now, this workshop is $100 per ticket and is capped at 10 people, so first in, best dressed. We want to keep this workshop small so that you get the personalized attention and the time that you need to work on the strategies to grow your business. Now, this is a hands-on 90-minute workshop, so please come ready to do the work together. So if that's you, if you're a business owner of an engineering, town planning, surveying or architecture consultancy who is looking to run a more profitable business and hit consistent 30% net profit margins, then click on the button below to reserve your spot. Again, this workshop is capped at 10 people, so please make sure you secure your spot today. See you there.